everyone, here we are going to talk about norms and values. Before we are talking about norms and values, I appeal you please subscribe and share to all your friends. Now we are going to talk about norms and values, very important concept, status and role, norms and values for sociology. Norms and values. Ideal rules are those standards of society and group acceptable behavior whose sustenance is expected from society and group individuals. It is type of norms. Norms means rules and behaviors. People follow this as a means of spending social needs. It is caste. Caste is simple without thinking too much. A person has been behaving according to it. Characteristics. Now generally the rules of society are called social norms. Norms means rules, norms, law, ideas, folkways, customs. These are called norms, according to which the member of the society behave. Characteristics of norms. Its nature can be understood more clearly based on the characteristics of rules. These are part of the cultures. First point, part of culture. Norms are part of culture. Robert Piaget has divided the elements of culture into two parts: non-material elements and material elements. And varieties. Norms have the properties of diversity. These present different options under the special cultural law. The ideal rules of every society are not the same. It varies from society to society. Social rules. Norms are social rules. It includes various rules and bylaws, big and small. Now the fourth one is, for the existence of man, norms are integral to human existence. It is a means to fulfill human need. The development and observation of every ideal rule is related to one or other requirement. Means it is completely based on need. Way of the life. Norms is the way of life of human. Its construction and development is based on factual circumstances. According to this, a person does not have to make a special effort to conduct. Only they become familiar with the ideal rules of our society and become natural to conduct accordingly. As a result, to become a method of living. Techniques of control. Norm is a major method of control mentioned by Kingsley Davis has done. Rules which were expected to be followed by all members of the societies. And there are many small and big rules, bylaws and social paradigm. Norms are relative, that is, do not apply equally to all persons or in all circumstances. Social control. Social paradigm are the means of the social control that control and organize human behavior by norms. Kingsley Davis stated that two types of system are found in every society: normative order or factual order. Norm system tells us how to behave, that is the ideal system. What is supposed to be explained, in other words, the expectation that society has from its members. For example, people taking tickets at a railway station are expected to give ticket by standing in a line to maintain order. Apart from this, another type of reality is found in the society which makes sense of the system as it is. Now, social values. Now, norms, simply norms, in conclusion, norms is the law of the society, the behavior of the society, which is recommended and expected to way of life. Now, social values. The study of value is a matter of special importance in sociology. A special branch of sociology is the sociology of value, which studies the relationship of values and societies. Value is the basis of society. The difference between human society and animal society is basically based on values. Values provide stability. Changes in this brings changes in the society. In sociology, value is a kind of criterion, but ordinary standards are not called values. Johnson. Now we are going to look the definition of a scientist. Kingsley Davis, the social paradigm is a type of control human society under this same control the behavior of its members in such way that they continue to serve as a means of meeting social need. Kimball Young, social norms are group expectation. Bierstedt, social norm is a form of standard practice, it is a way of performance. And now we are going to talk about value rather. Value can be defined, Johnson, value can be defined as an assumption of criterion that can be cultural or personal. The compare items accepted or rejected compared to each other is considered fair or unfair, good or bad, right or wrong in this definition. Means in the value there are some good or bad, some fair or unfair, right or wrong. These values are learned, internalized by the process of socialization and thought to have the accordance with the society. The values and desires, it is desirable. Value is desired. Social value are social standards. There is consensus among the group about social value. Behind the social value there are fervent emotions. Social values are dynamic. Characteristics of value: dynamicity and changeability. Cultural element, universality. Symbols, there are symbols in value. Value are expressed through symbols. Variability. These are the basic means. Norms is the rules and way of living, how to perform, how to behave, how to do work, and values is the standard of norms. It is good or bad. How you are performing your role, how are you doing any role in a good manner or in a bad manner, in a high quality of manner. This fix the standard of the society. Value is the standard of the society. Means if you are wearing dress, what quality of dress you have. If you have good quality, low quality, high quality, these qualities, good or bad, nice, right or wrong, this is the standard of the society, this is the value of the society.